Welcome back, students. In this video, we are going to work on page 18 in your workbook. So let's get started. Exercise C. Read the information. Write sentences using the present perfect progressive and for and since. All right, so we're going to use for and since. So for example, Elise started doing yoga in January. It's July now. So we need to write present perfect progressive, one sentence using for and one sentence using since. All right. So Elise has been doing yoga since January. When you use since, let's look right here. You're talking about a moment, an event, something right here. Since is this time. It's desde un momento, desde una fecha, desde un momento. That's since. Whoops, sorry about that. That is since. Desde. All right. So let's go to the exercise. Bill started learning Spanish when he was 18. Now he's 24. So let's do this sentence using since first. So Bill has been learning Spanish since he was 18 years old. All right. Bill has been learning. Has, porque it's he or she. Has. Now let's write a sentence using for. Bill has been learning Spanish for 6 years. All right, so how do we know it's 6 years? He's 24 and he started when he was 18. So 24 minus 18 is 6. All right. Let's go to the next one. John and Sam started working in the store in 2002. They're still working there now. All right, so let's write the sentence using since. So John and Sam, and because it's they have been working in the store since 2002. They have been working. Now let's write a sentence using for. John and Sam have been working in the store for ¿cuántos años? How many years? We're in 2020 and that said 2002, so 20 minus 2 is 18. So John and Sam have been working in the store for 18 years. So both sentences are saying the same idea, they're just doing it differently. One's measuring from there and one's measuring total. So they mean the same thing, it's just a little bit different. Number 4, Betty started studying for the exam on Monday. It's Thursday today. So Betty has been studying for the exam since Monday. Desde lunes. Since Monday. Betty has been studying. Lo siento. Studying for the exam for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So that's 4 days. 4 days. All right. ¿Entiendes? All right. Si tienes una pregunta, mándame un mensaje, por favor. Number 5. Patty and Steve started dancing at 8:30. It's 11, or it's now 11. All right, so Patty and Steve, so they have been dancing since 8:30. All right. So the next sentence, Patty and Steve have been dancing for, all right, how much time is that? 30 minutes is 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. For 2.5 hours. And then let's change this to the word. So Patty and Steve have been dancing for 2.5 hours. All right. So si necesitan más ayuda, practica leyendo estas oraciones y vas a entender un poco más con más práctica. Let's go to section D. So we're going to write questions using how long for these answers. All right, so number 1, how long, what is the subject? The subject is Elise. How long has Elise been doing yoga? All right. So how long has Elise been doing yoga? Elise has been doing yoga for or since. All right. So remember, use the words from the question to make the answer. Use the words from the question or the answer to make the question. All right. Number 2. How long? All right, the subject is Bill. So how long has Bill and learning Spanish? So how long has Bill been learning Spanish? How long has Bill been learning Spanish? All right, Bill has been learning Spanish for, all right, so práctica, práctica, práctica. Number 3, how long, so John and Sam, so how long have John and Sam, or you can use they, how long have they, it's okay. How long have John and Sam been working in the store? All right. So, un punto fino en esta. When they say in the store, este es un punto muy fino, pero quiero explicar. When you say how long have they been working in the store, típicamente personas van a pensar este día. How long have they been working today? So if you want to know how much time, like days, months, years, how long have they worked, you should use at. So we'll write in and then we'll write at. How long have they been working at the store? So los dos son correctos, pero son un poco diferentes. All right. So no te preocupes de este, vas a sentir un poco mejor años luego cuando tienes más experiencia con inglés. Number 4, how long, and it's Betty, has she, Betty, we're going to change, how long has she been studying for her exam? All right. It says the exam, so maybe the is better, so we'll write the, but if you wrote her, because it is she, it is okay. Number 5, how long, Patty and Steve, so 2 people, so you can write Patty and Steve, or you can write they, and because it's they, it's have. How long, oops, sorry. How long have Patty and Steve been dancing? How long have they been dancing? All right, so practice reading these questions here and then using these answers up here. So for example, how long has Elise been doing yoga? Elise has been doing yoga since January. All right, so practice with the questions and the answers. This will help you get a better feel for the flow of English and using the question to make the answer. That is everything for page 18. Adios.